all this feels familiar, that's because it is. The language, the fear, the urgency. We've seen this before. What's happening right now isn't a new kind of conflict. It's an old strategy being reused. Same structure, same emotional hooks, just a different target. There's a pattern you start to notice once you look for it. A group gets framed as a threat. The threat gets simplified into something easy to fear. And suddenly, people feel like something has to be done right now, even if the situation is more complicated than that. Take the 1970s. When Title IX was introduced, it was meant to expand opportunities for women in sports. But opponents didn't frame it that way. They said it would destroy men's sports, that it would take opportunities away, that it would go too far. The language was different, but the structure is almost identical. Now, fast forward and listen to the arguments around trans athletes. Taking opportunities, unfair advantage, destroying women's sports. It's the same framework, different group, same fear. Because the goal isn't accuracy, it's reaction. If you can make something feel urgent enough, people stop asking whether it's true. That's why this feels so intense. Not because it's new, but because it's familiar. This playbook works. It worked before, and now it's being used again. Please like and subscribe. Y'all be well, and I'll see you in the next one.